So we are starting the selection. Selection can be defined and discovering most promising and the most suitable candidate to fill the vacant job position inside the organization. After the recruitment, with the selection process will start. In the selection process, there are various steps we are to be followed in the selection process. So there are some steps while we are starting a selection process to selecting the best and the appropriate candidate for the vacant post. Selection process can be followed, in which we have systematic manner we have to be find out the best and the appropriate candidate, and the last we are giving job offering and the contract of the employment is there. So this is the last step. While for following this last step, there is a procedure which we are starting from the first, how we follow the procedure to select the best and the appropriate candidate for the vacant job position. So in this, the first is the preliminary screening, in which the number of applications are received with the help of the recruitment process. After recruitment process, those who are job seekers, if they want to fill the application form for the vacant job position in the organization, they fill the application form. So after receiving them, the preliminary screening is there. According to the terms and the condition of the vacant job position, the preliminary screening are there, and those who are up to the mark according to the need of the vacant job position, their applications are selected, and those who are not up to the mark, they are rejected. This work is to be done in the preliminary screening. After the preliminary screening, the selection test is there. Selection test is required when the number of applications are more and the job positions are less. So in this, we are taking a selection test, in which there are various types of selection tests involved according to the needs of the company. So the intelligence test, aptitude test, personal test, trade test, interest test are to be followed by the company. According to their interest, they are to be taken a selection test. The next is the employment interview. After selection test, they are to be selected, and those who are passed the selection test, they go through the employment interview. They are asking for the employment interview. In employment interview, the candidate who qualified the test and called the interview to conduct the final interview, a panel of expert is called. The consultants who are specialized in their field ask question for the candidate to test their professional and specialized knowledge related to the job. This can be done in the employment interview. After that, we are checking the reference of the employees. While in the checking of the reference in the background, in the application form, the candidate is asked to give the name of two reference in the candidate qualification, the interview. Then the organization prefer to check with the reference about the personal character of the candidate and their information regarding the job position where he is working or he is new. So that reference can be checked about these two people, about their character and their working. After the check of the reference, there is a selection decision is taken. In the selection decision, we are taking a decision after the selection test, employment interview, checking of reference. We are selecting the person for the vacant job position inside the organization. So the candidate who passed the test, interview and the reference check are included in the selection list, and the managers select most suitable candidate for the vacant job position. After the selection decision, the medical examination is there, because when the worker is from the outside agency and we are appointed as a new worker in the organization, so we are taking a medical examination in these days. So before giving an appointment letter, the candidate select and send for the medical fitness test. Some organization appoint their own doctors to do the test, and some sign contract with the hospitals to do it. After the medical examination, we are offering the job to the person who passed all these things. So we are offering a job. In the job offering, the applicants who clear the medical test are given job offer through the letter of appointment. In the letter, the date of joining, terms and the condition of the job are maintained. Generally, a reasonable time is given to the candidate to join the organization. And at the last, there is a contract of the employment. In the contract of the employment, all the term and condition regarding the employment can be defined and signed by both the job provider and the job seeker. They are signed, so it is a contract. Contract of employment, when candidate accept the job offer, it refers to the signed of the contract of the employment. So this is signed by both the parties, employer provider and the employer seeker. So these are the some steps while we are selecting the best and the appropriate candidate for the vacant post with the help of the selection process. Thank you and have a nice day.